Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm out here in the street of Lagos to show you the amazing light installation that is being done right here in Lagos, Nigeria. Anyways, this period I'll be doing more of night views for some educational reasons and other things I'm currently working on. So for that reason, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as it is totally free of charge and it costs you no additional money. So please do well to stick to the end of the video and enjoy this series and bring it to your screen right now. You can see how bright this area looks because the lights are newly installed. Previously, this road, this bridge, every part of this environment usually gets dark at night because there are no lights that are functional. But as you can see now, everywhere has been bright. Obviously, you can see the state governor is actually working and is trying his best. And I'm also glad the citizens are also law-abiding, because usually, previously, when they do this type of stuff, within a few months or few weeks, it usually gets stolen and being sold. I don't know, but now this lights has been standing for long and they're actually looking pretty fine. These ones you can see now, these solar ones are all newly installed. I'll also show you the previous ones that were here, the old ones. So stick to the end of the video and let's discover.